This is Josh from MarineMax in New York, and here in Huntington, New York. Beautiful Huntington Park. Today we're going to look at a recent trade of ours. This is a 2021 Scout 175 Sport Dorado. Really fun boat. Starting here in the transom, it has a Mercury 4-stroke 115. Great power option for this boat. Here you'll see a ski tow. This is where you would hook your water sports up, whether it's a skis or tube. You hook right up here. It's great for fun, kids, family. Moving forward, stop at the helm. It's got a Marine multi-function display screen, analog gauges, toggle switches. Both the port and starboard side chairs will swivel all the way around. Gives you lots of flexibility when you're hanging out on the water. As we move forward, just ahead of the consoles you have lounge style seating, and then up here in the bow we have a sun pad. Great fun little boat to get out on the water. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat we have in our inventory, please give us a call here at our Huntington location. Our sales consultants will be happy to answer any questions you have or tell you about any other inventory we might have in stock. Hope to hear from you soon. My name is Josh.